It is just like, you can say, it's like a stock market.
Good evening. Welcome to a sip of coffee online with Van India. We have received so many queries in the past few days regarding cryptocurrency, so we are hosting one more session about it. Let me add our guest. Welcome, Manohar Nema. Welcome, Manohar. Our guest today strive to make the world a better place for all. He has over 21 years of diverse global experience, expertise in international business development, coupled with strong domain expertise in design engineering and asset management. Worked internationally and was involved in developing a strong portfolio of projects like Burj Khalifa, Trump Tower, Mumbai, WTC, Chennai, many other landmark projects in India and US, UK, UAE, KSA, Australia, South Korea. He has worked with Samsung and L&T too. So Manohar, what you have for our viewers today?
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. And I'm really thankful to Ven India for keeping this session. And I like to share my experience about the whole change which is happening, and how the crypto industry is creating a buzz around us. And as you all know, like, this is a kind of technology which is not understood by many of us, and for common men it is very hard to understand what it is, because it's all initiated back in somewhere in Europe, and moved to Asia, and then it's, starting in India. So it's very hard for our people to understand what is happening around this. So I think when India has done some very remarkable efforts to bring some people who are working on crypto, and they are sharing. So last week they have brought some guest speakers, uh, and they shared their experience, and I feel that there is still a lot to learn, and there are many aspects to crypto which is there for us to learn. So I'll share my presentation, but before that, I want to just go back to the time when crypto was started. So in 2008, a group of scientists actually wrote a white paper, about a currency which can revolutionize the financial world, because of lot of problems with the fiat currency. They have created a cryptocurrency, and that cryptocurrency was named as a Bitcoin. And Bitcoin in 2008 was created by a gentleman called Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto has actually wrote 9 pages about crypto, about specifically Bitcoin, and how Bitcoin can revolutionize the world, and how it can be a very unique proposition, and how easily we can transfer value of anything from one person to other person just by using internet. It's just simple as sending an email from one person to other person. And what they have done is, they have created a software on top of blockchain, which can basically run with the help of internet, and any person can transfer value from money, value from one person to other person, on a ledger which will be created by this blockchain. And this blockchain will actually keep this data across the users, across the blockchain, and it cannot be hacked, or it cannot be tampered by any other third party. So what happened was, they have created a decentralized system where transferring value from one person to other person will be as simple as email, without any intervention of any centralized authority or any government, which would which has created a very big change in the financial world right now. So, as you all know, that Bitcoin has actually gained a lot of value over the years. Aj today actually it is trading at around $35,000, and if you see the journey of Bitcoin over the 12 years, it has created over $1 trillion market cap, which is the fastest by any other asset class. So I'd like to share my small presentation on crypto and what difference it is making to a common man and for us, and especially in India, and how it is bringing an opportunity for us to, work in this industry and trade in crypto, and how we can hold crypto to create a long-term wealth. So, okay, so I'll just so you can all can see my screen. Yeah. So basically, why crypto and why we should buy crypto? So here I have done a very small comparison between digital currency and cryptocurrency, and we have created a very simple,
Manohar,
a
we
common
cannot see
terms.
your presentation.
You cannot see my presentation.
Yes.
Okay, just a second. Screen. Okay. Now, can you share? Can you see?
No, we cannot.
Okay, just a second. Yeah.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. So basically, digital currencies are centralized, and cryptocurrencies are decentralized. What does this mean, and how it affect basically? So whenever currency is governed by any bank, any company, or any government, they control it, and then you can see here we have some bank frauds involving a lot of money. This is the data by Reserve Bank of India. And there are a lot of other things happening because of the centralized system, which is where uh, a centralized bank or a company controls the money. In decentralized world, there is a lot of transparency, and the money trail can be retrieved by digital footprint that can save money going in wrong hands, then requires a lot of verification. And this cryptocurrency has actually partial anonymity, where you can, where if you don't allow, nobody would know what kind of assets you hold. It's not transparent. The digital currency is not transparent. It's transparent and regulated by central bank. Cryptocurrency is not regulated by any authority, as it is just created as a software, and it it's there in the blockchain, and there is a system which actually controls this, and that system is created at the time of creation of the crypto. What So the crypto has a specific terms and conditions, and the quantity fixed at the time when crypto is created. So let's see how it makes a difference. Now here, I have just captured a screenshot of a Binance charity website. So this is one of the segment which I want to bring to you all, that the people in the crypto industry have donated a lot of money for all these sectors like poverty, hunger, quality education, gender equality, clean water, COVID, and all these issues you can see. And they partnered up with UNICEF and many other organizations who are working for social development. And the rate of growth of crypto market is much higher than any other uh, stock market or any other asset class. So you can see here, as a this is more than 2000% growth. And here I'm trying to show what all are the parts of crypto economy. So crypto economy starts from the mining, and mining of crypto is one of the basic tasks which is done by group of people who runs these applications onto their system, and those systems basically keep the record and validate the record, and basically mine the coins, and in return they get the reward as a coins, which they can, bring back to the crypto economy. Then there is a ICO, there is a network, there's a transaction, and if you see some of the crypto exchanges or cryptocurrencies like Solana, Ethereum, they have created a full set of value chain for doing a transaction faster than any other system. So we'll talk about it in the next slides. And here in India, WazirX has started as an exchange, and they have associated with Binance. Now Binance has taken over, and NESCOM and our entire government is working on, you know, regulating it and trying to promote it in a good way to create a lot of and jobs and prosperity amongst the people. And now let's see what is the opportunity we have within the crypto. So before starting that, I want to basically bring out some of the challenges which we face as a individual entrepreneur to do any business. So these are the top challenges in any business you start. And I know most of you are running your successful businesses, so you must have faced some of these challenges, like finding quality talent, retaining it, and developing it, regulatory changes, cost containments, and many other things which you can see here. And specifically, when we talk about India, India has a lot of good things. Like we have a lot of people here, we have a lot of educated people here, we have a lot of unemployed people here. So we can, that's a kind of strength we have. We have low cost labor available. We have very large domestic market. We have business management and skilled service workforce, local laborers, and very strong communication infrastructure. And what challenges we have is administrative environment, transport, corporate taxation, and ease of doing business and flexibility. So, what will be the ideal business for future? So here we have listed out few points which could be considered when we talk about ideal business. So it must have a legacy. It should be portable. It should be dealing with quality products, and this should be a cash business. You don't have to land or take the loan from anyone. It should be legal. It should be like supporting your lifestyle. It should be world class with world class partners. So that kind of opportunities are very few in the market. And here I've just got this data, and I see a lot of women are into finance industry, and they're contributing very big amount to taxation and overall economy. Now, let's start with how this business opportunity can work for you. So, this is the money flower. Here you can see now our money has transformed already into a digital currency. Like we are using all these digital wallets, digital payment system. And if you see in entire this ecosystem where we have accessibility, electronic, central bank issued, peer to peer, all these factors are not there with our fiat currency or our digital currency. So for that, a lot of governments are very pro crypto, and they are coming up with their own crypto, and they want to develop this crypto economy. And who are the major players in crypto economy? So here you can see JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs are the traditional financial brokers, but they are also coming up with their own cryptos. And the crypto prime brokers are Coinbase, BitGo, Genesis, Bquant, Huobi. And here you see the crypto broker service providers, regulative trading services, where you have Coinbase and Binance and ChainUp. So these are some of the key players in this industry. And how we can make money out of this is we provide some solutions. You can be in touch with me or the When India team. We teach the basics of crypto trading, the basics of the strategy, what one should have for the crypto trading. So here we call this as a martingale strategy, which is like you have to do the dollar cost averaging, buy when the coin price is low and sell at the high. And then the application which we use, which has a sub-bin mode, will give us ability to take the profit when even the price is falling. So the market is very low. Even then, you can put your funds into a sub-bin mode. You can put your crypto asset in the sub-bin mode, and you can create a profit at the lower side. And then when it bounce back, you can make a huge profit on that. So we can give you more detail on this martingale strategy on a personal basis. We have a demo application also. You can share that technology, how it works, and the opportunity. What we're talking about gives you an open platform where you can use your own strategy. You can make a template of your own strategy, or you can use a circle strategy. And circle strategy is where you have a team of professionals and experts who gives you a complete template of what to buy, when to buy, how to buy, and how to keep the strategy in the application. So we have these applications where we can help you out with experts. who can give you this circle strategy at just a cost of 1% of your profit after you get the profit. So that's the win-win model for us. And here is an example of if you invest like 1000 USDT, and if you compound it for 12 months, you can make like 3x to 25x based on the market condition. So this is a typical market condition we see every year in the market right now. And here we have created a chart where you can see the 10% to 30% margins based on the number of currencies you deals in. So here we have a robot which basically automate all these trading activity for you 24 by 7, so you don't have to do it by yourself. So it's a robot application, and we call it bot application. So it's a AI based bot which takes the entire uh, strategy as a template and work for you 24 by 7 in this market. And how so so when you apply in your portfolio, you get a good monthly return, which I said 10 to 30%. And then you partner up with a team where we help you to find the right kind of partners and the expansion strategy, how to create events, business meets, product launch, and you can promote multiple coins, applications, hardwares, and other relevant product to a crypto thing. And these are the activities which you can plan to speed up your business. And this is a kind of business planning. I can share this presentation with my video, so you can take the key points out of it, where we have given basics of how to start your business in crypto economy, what are the best things, what are the best technologies, and how you should speed it up. And the best part of this business is you can do it using your own network. You can create your own pages. You can promote with your social media uh, network, and you can create your own platform where you can connect multiple traders in your team, and you can make money out of that. You This is how you can plan your launch day, and how do you plan your launch. So these are some of the detailed things which is I think any of the startup needs for the crypto trading, uh, this thing, the post launch thing. Yeah. So how much time do we have? All right, so I think just on time. So yes, Sejal. So I think I'm open for the question answer round.
Yes. So is crypto legal?
Yes, of course. Actually, crypto is considered as a asset in India, just like shares and any digital asset. So this is considered as a asset in India, not as a currency, not as a legal tender. Which means you cannot buy land from crypto, you cannot buy cars from crypto right now, till the regulation comes in a year or so. So our government is very active onto that, and they are running a bill, and they are soon starting their own crypto also. So I hope that will create a very good ecosystem as a country for crypto. And we have one of the largest user base of crypto in the world. So I'm very positive about a legal things in India. It is legal. It is legal to trade, it is legal to make profit, and you have to just pay tax. That's it, like any other asset.
Is it available as physical currency?
No. Well, it's a very good question, actually. So, uh, crypto means, uh, in Hindi, you can say adrish or gupt dhan. Uh, Currency is dhan. Crypto means adrish. Adrish means actually, जैसे आप इंटरनेट को नहीं देख सकते, इंटरनेट कैन नॉट बी इन द फिजिकल फॉर्म, तो ऐसे ही ये सॉफ्टवेयर है. दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ डेटा, दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ लेजर data
Mhm.
on a blockchain. So it cannot be, you cannot see it, but you can have it in your, जैसे आज की डेट में, now we have shares in our stock application. We don't get the hard copy, we can just keep it in our app. So it's like a soft money, जैसे आपका digital wallet है.
Okay, good, good. So, do you teach how to invest?
Of course, yeah, that's my business actually. So what we have here is a very good technology. We have a software which can help our team to basically do the high frequency trading. Now this, what is this high frequency trading is, हम लोग 24 घंटे इस मार्केट में बैठ के काम नहीं कर सकते, और हम 24 घंटे बैठ के बाय सेल नहीं कर सकते, और देयर आर सो मेनी करेंसीज. So what we
Mm-hmm.
have done is, we have an artificial intelligence based app called Royal Q. What
Mm-hmm.
it does for us is, as an organization, we teach our team to use this to make strategies of their own. And we have our own circles where we help new people to use those circle strategies, and just share a small amount of profit, like 1% of your profit, and use the expert strategy, where you can make really really huge profits out of crypto market, because crypto market is highly volatile. Without information, if you enter in the market, you will lose money, that's for sure, because very few people understands the background of it, and understands the way these companies are valued, because these companies are not valued like our traditional market. These companies have their own technology, they have their own ecosystem. They might look smaller, but they have a big potential, revolutionary technology. So most of these coins um, are driven by a IT company, IT technology, basically blockchain technology. So we teach a lot of new people for crypto for free, and we don't charge for it. And just they have to use the same platform, same tools, and we can host further sessions like this one. So this one was just for the basic understanding of crypto, that we can show how we can make profits. Like I have some of my partners who have made really really good amount of money with a very small amount, because of the crypto growth and the kind of growth in adoption of applications in crypto. So what we do is, we work with the best exchanges like Binance, Huobi, and Coinbase. These are the top three exchange of the world. So we recommend all our team members or friends, or our clients, to work on the best exchanges, and work or buy only a right crypto, because there are many cryptos which are not actually having any blockchain or any background application. So I would suggest all your users to first do the analysis. First of all, you need to find the market cap of the crypto. So you can go to an app called Coin Market Cap, where you can see all the listed cryptocurrencies, which has large transaction volumes, large user base. So based on the user base, and the transaction, the longest transaction, the highest growth. You choose based on those parameters and the technology behind it. Nothing else. Don't ever go by, just by um, referrals, or just by, if somebody just bring it to you, don't just buy it. Just try to see the technology behind it, why it is created, what change it is going to bring to the world. So yeah, those are the things.
Is it a team? Is it a MLM?
No, no, no. It is not a MLM. Actually, MLM has monthly targets and all. So here you are creating asset. It is just like, you can say it's like a stock market. It could be. You can call it a parallel stock market. Just like in stock market, we have a retail investor. Then on top of it, we have a sub broker, and on top of sub broker, there's a master broker or the broker main broker, and then on top of broker there is an exchange. Then on top of exchange there is a company. And the uh, same format here. We have a referral program where uh, you know anyone can come to Binance and use their referral code to refer to friends and earn some very small marginal amount. And we also have a referral program for our AI app, Royal Q, which can which is very powerful actually, because people cannot just go on Binance and just start trading themselves. It requires a lot of training. It requires a lot of understanding of the terminology. So as in team of traders, what we do is we make a group which we call as a circle. And in circle you can there are experts in the different field, and they teach their teams to grow together. And once the retail investor or the end person or the trader, crypto trader, or the person who has invested, who has got the app, makes money, then only the other person makes money. So it is
O-
unlike the MLM or any product based business.
Okay. So, one very interesting question we have, is there any guarantee of profits?
Okay, so this guarantee we can say, because if you invest in good cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, these are proven blockchains. There is some sort of surety of growth because they have large user base and their adoption is worldwide. So there's a uh, trend which is happening from last couple of years. And there could be a small dip also, there could be a small loss also. But if you enter in this industry with vision of at least a year or two, you will surely make some money, because there
Okay.
are it's not just the trading. You can,
Mhm.
by teaching you can earn. So that's a sure income, sure profit, a guaranteed profit. If you teach people and if they do it good, you'll get money, you'll get the
Okay.
fees actually. And
Okay.
in crypto market, yes, as everybody says, you have to be careful with small cryptos, new cryptos, or new launches, new coins, and fake coins and all. So that's a very uh, important thing, because I have been into technology from last 20 years, and I've seen many companies who were launched and started their own crypto, and they couldn't do anything. They just dump the money, or I don't know what they do. But that's where I lost my trust on crypto till I saw Binance and their size and their their entire ecosystem, where they ensure that whatever coins and assets are trading on their platform is legal, legitimate, has a proper user base, technology, and future. Then only those coins they list, and they also have a guarantee of a fund, investors fund called Seifu. So Seifu is a fund on Binance. If because of anything like hacking or any other thing, by misconduct of any coin company, if you lose money, they assure some kind of safety of your fund. So you have to understand their terms and condition of that. So that's
Oh,
why I say this is a highly risky, volatile market. One should understand what is crypto, what is his goal, what is the right crypto. You have white paper of all the cryptocurrencies. You can read those white papers, and you can read the blogs of or website of the company. You can understand the vision of a founder, and see the adaptation, see the growth in past years, and based on that, I think you should decide.
okay. Uh, Team means we invest together.
No, no. Team means, yeah. Good question. Basically, so team means we all have a same app, and our app is connected through a referral program. And when we use the same app, same technology, we share knowledge. So the person who has more knowledge, more larger base, more wider portfolio, can share his knowledge, but you always have your own fund in your own device on your own account, so you have full control of your fund. There should be there is no joint investment, and one should be very careful about all these stacking schemes also there in the market, where they say like we are pooling the money, stacking the money. So I would suggest, please be aware of all those stacking things, where they say they'll give you 3% fixed return per day or something, per day or per month or something, which are very risky, because nobody can double the money, and this is also a business. So yes, technology is evolving fast. The user base is growing very fast. The industry itself is growing very fast, but still, without proper, you know, a proper plan, there are a lot of companies in the market who are, just assuring to give a very high stacking profit. So you should be aware about, you should not invest into those companies.
Okay. Can it become zero also? I think they are asking crypto. Can any of the currencies become zero also?
Uh, the value of currency can become zero. Um, so I have not. I mean, if it is on Binance, or if it is on any big exchange, it cannot be just zero, because they have a lot of background checks. They have a lot of so what happens is, sometimes when the market, because these cryptos are traded in the pair. So like BTC versus BTC, or BTC versus USDT. So there is a lot of volatility amongst these different blockchains and cryptos. So we, in quantitative trading, in Royal Q, what our app, we trade against the dollar, USDT, all these cryptos, and we take the advantage of that change. So, uh, crypto value can go down, up and down. That's a market actually. But zero, I won't say, because zero, I don't think so. Zero, it can go little low also. But Royal Q or a quantification method and a strategy suggest you, whenever the market goes down, you just buy, and hold, because market moves in two directions only, up and down. So whenever market goes down, it has to go up. So people lose money because they don't have a strategy, they don't understand the strategy, they don't understand martingale strategy or any other um, best practice of trading. So that's where people lose money. They invest all their money at the first one go or second go, or so the investing has to be in the steps, the smaller amounts. We call it calls. So margin calls. You have to take calls when market goes down. You have to book profit when the market goes up. So for us, basically, this tedious work is done by our AI bot, Royal Q, and my money is there in my all the digital assets are there in the Binance account. So so one app is doing my complete automation of my activity, and the other app is for me for keeping my crypto assets in the trading account or the holding account. So I have two accounts over there. I have two wallets over there, like spot wallet and funding wallet. So if I keep my cryptos in funding wallet, it is just like it's kept in the locker, and in the spot wallet, it is like it is on the trading wallet. So um, and it is ready for trading.
Okay.
Okay. So is it crypto or Bitcoin?
Okay, so Bitcoin is one of the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are different types. There are a lot of stable coins. Bitcoin is the number one because Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has a very large user base. Its market cap is 1 trillion plus, and the most valued cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, one of the cryptocurrency. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies in the market, and on Binance, they have I think 200 plus cryptocurrencies which they trade against each other or against the dollar.
Okay. So one more question. How much tax do we have to pay on crypto earnings?
Sorry, I just missed it. What? How much?
How much tax do we have to pay on crypto earnings?
How much? Sorry, I am
Tax.
not. Uh,
Tax. How much we have to pay tax?
oh, tax. Okay.
Tax, yes. Do we
So
have to
yeah,
pay on crypto earnings?
I think government has announced 30% tax
Okay.
on the crypto profit, not on the loss.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this is what I am hearing from the experts of this market, that it will be same as any other asset. So if I earn in shares, there are some slabs. So there will be slab system, but uh, right now they have just announced that there will be a 30% tax on profit.
Okay.
And if you do it right, I think you can make huge profit. So if you make a huge profit, you can happily pay 30% tax on the income.
Okay. So what is the minimum investment to start earning from crypto?
Okay, so yeah, crypto can be start with any amount of money. I mean, I think it can be as low as $1.
Okay.
So yeah, I think you can start with $1. You can start with any amount. So there is no minimum limit.
Okay. So minimum is $1 to start.
Yeah, minimum is $1. I think because that's the minimum unit you buy, and then you can trade against.
Okay. So when it's good time to invest, market crash yesterday, I think, right? So it's a good
Yes,
time
so
to
I think every time is a good time to invest because market is always moving, and
Mm-hmm.
even if you enter in the higher market,
Hmm.
you get opportunity to buy when market goes down. So always remember, market moves in two direction, up and down. So whenever market goes down, you have to buy. You learn to buy. You learn to save money for buying all the time. You must have a backup. So this is the rule number one, basically, to always have a backup. So market, you should be ready to make profit in both the directions, like when market goes up and market goes down. So when market goes down, you need to have you should buy and sell when the market goes up.
Okay. Uh, Good, good, good. So our viewers, it's a good time. Every time it's a good time to invest.
Yeah.
Correct, Manohar?
Yes. And
So
I think
Manohar,
uh, one should always invest as fast as he can, because we should not waste time in investing, because if you miss the chance for investing, you miss the chance for saving and earning. तो
correct,
ऐसे ही
correct,
होता है ना, because we put our money into any other thing if we don't invest.
correct, correct.
So investing is the best thing, best habit, I would say.
Yes. So thank you for joining Van India for today's session, Manohar, and
Thank you
hope
so
we
much,
were
and I hope I could give a fair idea about crypto, and hope to see you all again.
yes, and hope we were able to solve and clear some doubts about crypto of our viewers.
Yes, on my Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, you can contact me by Manohar Nema, and I can also share my number in the link.
Okay, good. So, and after lot of requests received from our viewers, we are hosting Sagar Sharma, who is a cricketer, his second session on 10th March. So, stay tuned and bye for now.